Did you know you can have Lumia Stream change your profile image, banner, and name when you go live? You'll want to open Lumia up and head over to the Connections tab. Add new connection, and in the search space provided, type Twitter. Go ahead and click Connect and follow the instructions provided. Under Streaming Tools, click on Alerts. Make sure you are under the Stream Live tab at the top. Once you've verified, we can scroll down and select Advanced and choose Manage Twitter. The first step is under the Type drop-down menu. We will want to select Update Screen Name, and in the screen name space, add your live message and then select Add Action. Next, we will select Upload Profile Image under the Type drop-down menu. From here, you will select Media Type and Image and select a picture from your photo library. Once finished, go ahead and select the Add Action button. Lastly, we will select Upload Banner Image from the Type drop-down menu and choose a file from our photo library and select Add Action once completed. Once these steps are completed, go ahead and click Done and refresh. If you want to make sure these actions work, you may want to select the Test Action button shown here to make sure it properly works. Now to have our profile change back to its default setting, scroll back to the top and select Stream Offline, and then head back down to Advanced Manage Twitter. We will repeat the same process as before, but reverting back to the way your profile was set up before going live. To do this, you'll choose Update Screen Name from the Type drop-down menu, type in the username that you want to revert back to, and click Add Action. Next, we will revert our profile banner by selecting Upload Banner from the Type drop-down menu and click Add Action. Lastly, we will choose Upload Profile Image from the Type drop-down menu, and to complete, click Add Action. Once these steps are completed, go ahead and click Done and refresh. If you want to make sure these actions work, you may want to select the Test Action button shown here to make sure it properly works. And there we have it, a quick and easy way to update your Twitter profile when you go live. You can always customize these settings whenever you want. You can also add various lights and audio sounds as well when going online and offline. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on how to change your Twitter profile using Lumia Stream. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for future tutorials using Lumia Stream. And until next time, I'll catch you in the next video.